Hi guys, this is David. Have you ever looked at all the things it takes to build an online business and just felt overwhelmed? I mean, you need pages, funnels, automation, lead generation, sales systems, software connections, and somehow everything has to work together without breaking. For most people, that is where the frustration starts. It takes too much time, too much money, and too many tools just to get something live. But what if AI could actually do the heavy lifting for you? What if instead of giving you ideas or writing a few words, it could build out a complete online business in minutes, connect the moving parts, and even help generate leads and sales like a real human would? That is exactly why you need to check out what OpenClaw Cracked AI is doing. But before I show you more, make sure you check the link in the description box right now for my full written review article. Inside that review, you can see all the OTO details, the discount offer, the all-in-one bundle deal, and my special bonuses that cover different areas of digital marketing so you can boost your results even more with this product. Now, what is OpenClaw Cracked AI? OpenClaw Cracked AI is a new AI software technology designed to build out complete online businesses in a matter of minutes and then help generate leads and sales just like a human would. And this is not just another chatbot-style launch. OpenClaw is one of the first AI systems that can actually trigger workflows, fire tags, build assets, operate across platforms, connect directly to APIs, execute real tasks, and even log into software. So instead of just talking about getting results, this AI is built to actually do the work behind the scenes. If that sounds interesting, stay with me in this video because I am going to show you exactly what it does, how it works, and whether OpenClaw Cracked AI is really worth your money.
So the first one, we had an idea. Now we know what we're doing. Now we've cracked the code. Now we have an incredible bundle with everything that we have put together in the first workshop. All right, so this is how this is going to work. The first thing is, let's talk safety. You cannot install this on your computer. You do not want to. As you saw, it's pretty powerful and it can go into files and it can make changes, like it can do things. So we want to put it in a box. So if it breaks in the box. So we created a box called Claw Launcher. All right. And so it's not running on your personal computer, but it's running on a different server. All right. And you guys just be able to log into a site and you'll be able to control it. Now, looking at the Shadow Intensive, this is going to be 18 days of live build sessions. You're going to watch my team build real skills in real time. You're going to see how we train and deploy OpenClaw Live. You'll learn how it connects with your software stack. You'll be able to ask questions as we get it. All sessions are recorded and saved. Okay, and this is how this looks like. All right, now we're getting ready to begin this phase here, and the reason why is because I now have to do onboarding every single day because that's how many people are signing up. Every single day at 2 p.m. Pacific Standard Time starting Monday, we have our onboarding call. Now here's the thing. You're going to go through, I'm going to show you the members area in a minute. You're going to do simple little steps. You're going to be able to install and onboard this thing. But in the rare case that you can't get it installed, my team's just going to go install it for you. Okay, so 100% success rate. There's no reason why you can't do this. All right. So on Monday, you'll go, like you could go through it tonight, go through the steps and get all set up. But on Monday, all right, we're going to go through and we're going to start teaching it how to create the skills. We're going to start all over so that you learn how to do this. Okay. So there's something called APIs. Every software has an API. And what happens is we tell OpenClaw what the API is, and then it can connect to the software. And that's how it's been able to do the things that we've been seeing tonight. All right. And then phase number 3, this is where we're going to teach you guys how OpenClaw can build its own software. So if I come back over here and if I were to show you this, I kind of teased you with this a minute ago. OpenClaw, Pacino, went and built its own command center, okay, with all the commands it's creating. It created its own dashboard over here. So we can see the next task that's running. We can see all everything it's working on over here. We can see the API keys it's connected to. We could say the other software is connected to, like it's connected to Zoom, it's connected to Vimeo, it's connected to all of my software, it's connected to agent email. And we can see like the cron jobs down here, the models it's connected to, okay? But we're just scratching the surface, because it also has a business board. So every single time it creates a business, it updates its own board, all right? It also has a team board. So this is where it keeps track of what it's doing. I can also switch to this view like this. But on top of that, my whole team is in here too. So it manages my team, it manages itself, it manages me. All right. So we had a software called Placky that we were paying $140 a month for because of all the seats. We canceled Placky. Now we just use this because OpenClaw runs it, right? This is called the Operator Vault. So the reason why you have this, see if these images start loading here. Come on, Vercel. The reason why you have this is normally it has images showing up here. And that way, when it's building skills, what it can do is it can come back over here and it can look at these images that's not coming in right now, but there's usually images right there. And that way it can determine how to build the sales page, okay? Images, emails, product templates. These are resources that OpenClaw uses so that it knows how to build what it needs to build at the time, okay? We also have a project board. So if you have ongoing projects, you can tell OpenClaw, hey, just add this to my project board. We're pretty big on newsletters. So it goes out there and writes newsletters for our West Valley Shoutouts. That's our current publication. If we come over here, these are ideas. So if you get an idea, you just tell OpenClaw, hey, do me a favor, add that to my idea board, right? And so you can see the different statuses over here. This is our video queue. All right, so how this works is it goes into Vimeo or Dropbox, it grabs a video, it sends it to another site. That site cuts up the video into these little tiny short form videos. This is what you were talking about, Todd. And then what happens is OpenClaw goes back into that site, grabs those videos. I come over here and watch these things, and I either approve it or reject it. If I approve it, it then sends it to another software where it syndicates it to Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, all those things. What do you think of that, Todd?
Wow. Wow. I didn't realize all those things were in there.
Oh yeah. On top of that, mine's empty right now, but if you see like a webinar, an offer, or something you want to buy, instead of sending yourself a note or something, just tell Pacino, hey, add this to my wish list. And then finally, we have a resource library. If you find a URL that you like or a bookmark or whatever, you can just say, hey, add this to the resource library. So you don't control anything anymore. You just tell Pacino, hey, add this to my library, and it does it. Does that make sense to everybody? Type in the chat. Let me know if you guys are getting this. So this whole thing that we built, now you're starting to see why we spent so much money. This whole thing we built, Pacino was the one that built it. Now, why would you have OpenClaw build software? Guys, if you're using Base 44, Replit, Lovable, whatever you're using to build vibe coding, do that stuff, keep doing that. Keep doing that, okay? You're much better off building over there than you are in here. The only reason why you would build in here, guys, is if you want Pacino to run it. That's it. Because when you're building over here, you're going to be spending tokens. It's going to be more expensive than building on Replit or Lovable or something else. Does that make sense to everybody? Because to build like this, you got to use a big thinker model. You can't use a cheap model. So, and it's a huge opportunity because if you think about it, we're teaching our people how to go out there and sell this to businesses. So when you can step into a business that's currently using Trello or Asana or Basecamp, and you can say, hey, you know what? We can take your whole entire project center. We can rebuild it where an AI actually manages you and your team and it manages itself. Is everybody starting to get this? And I believe that that is going to be the #1 most requested service for the next 12 to 18 months, is getting businesses onboarded with this. And so in the workshop, we also focus on that, as well as some other things that I'm about to tell you. But I wanted you guys to understand that that board, that control panel that you saw me build for ourselves, we're going to teach you guys how to do that in phase #3. And then phase number 4, well, this is where you're going to go download all the skills for create sales pages, create video sales letter, add your Stripe account, everything that you guys saw at the beginning of this call. I'm going to teach you guys how to do that. All roads lead to this guy here, the business builder. All right. So the Micro SaaS Accelerator, you're going to build AI-powered apps that OpenClaw controls automatically. You're going to deploy apps publicly on your own domain. You're going to set up users, access level, monetization flows. You're going to add your branding, launch your own platform. You're going to launch micro SaaS tools to generate revenue and turn OpenClaw into public-facing SaaS engine so that it can run itself. That's the only time. So yeah, if you're using Base 44, if you're using Bolt, keep doing that. If you want OpenClaw to build its own solution, and it'll come up with the solutions for you. It'll say, you know what, I got an idea. Can I build a board? And you're like, yeah, I guess so. That was my first time, right? It will build a board. And the reason why is because it knows how to use the board. All right. So if you're trying to build on like one of those no code platforms, and then you plan on having OpenClaw use it, it's not going to work that way, guys. Because what you have to do is you have to make your APIs public on those platforms. Then you got to come back in and you got to train OpenClaw. If OpenClaw builds the software, it has the APIs cooked in. It's the one that built it, so it knows how to use it. So there's no training. Does everybody understand that now that's doing all the vibe coding and everything?
So just to clarify, you just clarify if you're already using Base 44 or Bolt, then and you're building software with that, how would you integrate it with this?
You won't. You won't, because if you do, you have to make the APIs public over there, which is not very easy. And then you have to take the APIs, Todd, and you have to train OpenClaw to use that software. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
If OpenClaw builds the software and you'll be talking to it, and then all of a sudden it'll say, hey, I should build a board for myself. If it does it, if it builds it, it doesn't have to train. It knows how it works because it's the one that built it. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a little bit confusing, right? All right. So guys, we also have our members area, and our members area is the reason why everybody's succeeding. Step-by-step video lessons, a clear goal to complete in every chapter, earn points, badges, and rewards, built-in community, all the replays for the workshop in one place. So if I were to open this back up again, and if I were to come over here, here's our members area. And I see that there's comments coming in. I like how you and your team work out issues in real time. Done, done, done. Okay. So if I come over here, if I look at this, you can see these basic chapters. Okay. So look at this here, guys. 504 goals have been completed in here. So here's how this works. You go through the simple little steps like this one right here. You're going to watch the video up above. Okay. So wherever that video is at, hold on, let me refresh this. I don't know what in the world is going on with my browser. Hold on. You know what? I'll bet I'm logged out. Let me log back in. It's been a while since I've done this. And actually, I'm going to go to Chrome. That could be a lot of the problem I'm having. Hold on. Let me go to Chrome and out of Firefox, guys. Give me just a second because I want you to see this. Okay. Let's try Chrome. There we go. All right. I'm done with Firefox tonight. Yeah. No, that is completely wrong. What is happening there? Do you see that, Karthik? I want to show them that members area. Can you look into that for me, please? Good Lord. All right. So you go through, you watch the video. There's a goal on every single chapter, guys. You open up that goal block. You do what's shown there. And then what happens is you receive points, badges, and rewards. Okay. Is this making sense to everybody? And everybody is succeeding with this. Like you saw, there was like 500 goals. We had the positive comments over in the corner. I just don't know. I just don't know if I'm having problems or what's going on. So we're going to find out. But in addition to that, everything you saw OpenClaw doing with the skills, create sales page, create video sales letter, create the landing page, everything that you guys saw at the beginning, those are called skills. Okay. So if I bring this back up, let me see if I can get this to open again. Over here, These right here, these are the skills, right? So save an idea, save a resource, write a sales page, sales copy, create a VSL, video avatar, broadcast, email stats. Are you guys seeing all this right now? Reactivate, load a replay, create an article, create a pop link, a lead step, a bridge page, create a tag. All of these things we have trained, and it's included. We're just going to give you all of these skills, okay? And it's very simple. You just drop them into your OpenClaw, and then it knows exactly what to do. Now, that whole entire command center that you guys saw, where you saw where it created its own software, this isn't something where we give you like access to it and you log in with like your username and password. No, this is something very different. What we have to do is we are going to go and install the whole entire thing in your infrastructure. So you're going to have the command center, the command engine, the team board, the project board, the article board, the video queuing system, the idea board, the wish list, the resource library, the bookmark manager, the whole thing. We are going to go and deploy inside of your library. And the reason why is because when you have this, this is now your software. So if you want to turn this to a purple background, you can. If you want to remove the team board because you don't have a team, you can, right? You are able to tell OpenClaw to make as many changes to it as you want. Is that making sense to everybody? Type in the chat, let me know if you're getting this. Find the chat over here. That chat's kind of hidden. Yeah, so the whole thing. Everything that we spend money on, time to develop out, we're giving it to you, okay? In addition to that, you probably didn't know about this, Todd. When you hop on the workshop, just like I did tonight when I said /pop link, /lead step, when you hop on that webinar, guys, when you hop on that workshop, you're going to see me doing those things. And you're going to go, how do I get the software to do that, right? How do I get the software to create the lead steps, the bridge pages? How do I get the software to create sales pages and funnels? How do I create a course like that? How do I create my article, my newsletter, right? How do I create quizzes? How do I fire off tags? And the reason why I know this is because I've been doing this for a long time, okay? So here's the thing. I'm going to do something I've never heard of before because I want you guys to see all the opportunities, right? With PageSprout, you're going to be able to create tracking links, lead steps, bridge pages. With Membird, which we just launched, you're going to be able to create sales pages, link to funnels, pull stats, manage ads. With CourseSprout, you're going to be able to load replays, create courses, create lessons. With Letterman, you're going to be able to create publications, create articles, create newsletters. With Global Control, you're going to be able to add contacts, pull contacts, fire tags, add integrations, create emails, create workflows. You're going to be able to do all of that with our software suite. Is everybody getting this right now? Find the comments.
That's your software suite from recent products that you've launched.
Yep. And guess what we did, Todd? We were the first ones to do it 30 days ago. We went and made it all trainable on OpenClaw. And that's the reason why I've been doing as much as I've been doing out there.
Oh my goodness.
We were just the first ones to do it. And that was the plan from the very start. I said, OpenClaw is going to replace everything that you guys are doing manually in our business. And it did. And you saw it, right? And guys, as I said, all roads lead to here, where once you got it onboarded, and I'll show you that. Well, actually, once you got it installed, once you got it onboarded, then the next step is you're going to go hop on the workshop, learn how to start training the skills. We're going to give you the skills, but you might be using software in your own business. So we're going to do everything we can to teach you how to take the software that you're using and the tasks that you're doing and train OpenClaw to do those things in your business. And once all that happens, when we get to phase 4, this is where we want your OpenClaw to build a business as many times as you want to. No limit. We want you to plan, build, sell, scale, automate.
If you grab the main product through my link, you're also getting my exclusive bonus packages. Let me show you some of them in this video. Package 1. Create Brand and Profit Vault, a bonus package built to help you create content faster, brand your stuff professionally, and monetize smarter. Inside the vault, you'll get content plus video creation tools like Article Buddy Pro and Auto Video Creator, so you can produce articles and videos without getting stuck. For lead generation and selling, you're also getting Customer List Builder, plus training-style bonuses like Selling to the World and e-commerce fire sale to help you turn views and clicks into real sales. Then for branding and design, you'll have Logo Studio, 123 logo kit, and 300 logo templates, so you can put together a clean logo and consistent look in minutes. And to make your visuals instantly look more premium, you'll also receive a full set of creative assets, including HD video motion backgrounds, abstract image collection, graphics empire, whiteboard SVG graphics bundle, and miscellaneous stock photos, perfect for thumbnails, landing pages, and video scenes. Finally, if you plan to sell digital products, you'll love the Kindle e-cover pack plus graphics ever, 50 e-covers and headers, to make your offers look like paid products. And you've got a few extra creative tools too, like Vector Cartoon Package, Turbo GIF Animator, Facebook Timeline Cover, and Teespring Instant Cash for extra monetization angles. Package 2, the 2026 AI Moneymaker Bootcamp Vault. This bonus package is about one thing, helping you start earning online with AI. Inside, you're getting a stack of trainings like Create and Monetize Your Own AI Influencer and the Zero Product AI Income System. So even if you don't have your own product, you can still start generating income by promoting winning offers with AI doing the heavy lifting. You'll also get the YouTube Autopilot AI system, long-form content, to build a content engine that can grow views and monetization consistently, plus the PDF income machine and copy-to-cash digital product system if you want to create quick digital products and start selling. And for the higher income route, Build and Sell AI Automations shows you how to package simple AI systems for businesses and get paid for it, often on a monthly basis. You get multiple proven paths: influencer, affiliate, YouTube, PDFs, digital products, and automations, so you can choose the one that fits you and start moving fast. This video only showed part of what's included. There are even more bonuses waiting for you. Click the link in the description below to see the full breakdown.
Now, I want to take a few minutes to talk about something very special. When you grab this product through my link, you're also getting my exclusive bonus package. These bonuses are carefully handpicked to help you in the areas that matter most: video creation, content generation, traffic growth, and SEO. I hope they can save you time, cut costs, and make your online journey smooth and successful. Let me walk you through some of the highlights, and I'll also show you short demos so you can see how powerful these tools really are. First up, AI Supreme, an all-in-one marketing powerhouse. With just a single login, you unlock more than 25 premium marketing apps, all under one roof. No installations, no complicated setup. For example, let's say you need a website. Inside AI Supreme, you'll find a Wix-style website builder that lets you design a professional site in minutes. Just pick a template, drag and drop, and your site is live. Or maybe you want to capture leads and sell offers. The funnel builder comes loaded with ready-made lead funnels, promo funnels, and even viral funnels you can customize instantly. Need content? The built-in AI writer does the heavy lifting. Just select your target language, choose the tone, give it a short description, and boom, you get ready-to-use content that sounds professional and natural. And my personal favorite, AI agents. Imagine having a team of professionals, writers, designers, coders, marketers, available 24/7, ready to complete any task you throw at them. That's exactly what AI Agents does. You can even create chatbots to engage with your audience automatically. Next is Goofy Shorts AI, perfect for short-form video creation. As you know, Platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts are exploding right now, and this tool makes it super easy to tap into that traffic. All you do is choose your format, whether it's TikTok, Instagram Reel, whiteboard explicable, or image-based video. Then Goofy Shorts AI creates your video in just a few clicks. Plus, you can generate AI-powered voiceovers directly inside the app, so you don't even need to record yourself. Once your video is ready, you can instantly share it across multiple platforms to maximize reach and engagement. Moving on, you'll also get Tubitraffic AI, which builds out a complete YouTube business for you. Here's how it works. Simply enter some keywords, and the software pulls up tons of relevant videos that are already proven to get views. From there, you can select the ones you want, and the tool automatically fills in video titles, descriptions, and tags optimized for traffic. You can customize the content however you like. And the best part? You can insert your own affiliate offers directly inside the videos. That means you're not just getting views, you're turning those views into commissions. Another incredible bonus is Super VA. Think of this as your ultimate virtual assistant powered by AI. Instead of spending hours writing content, designing graphics, or even coding, you can simply type in a prompt or use one of the pre-written ones, and Super VA will complete the task for you. It covers hundreds of marketing tasks with zero restrictions and zero setup. It's like hiring a full-time assistant team, but without the massive cost. You'll also get News Broadcasting Sites Builder. This one is perfect if you want to create passive income streams. With just a few clicks, you can launch fully automated news sites in virtually any niche: sports, travel, gaming, affiliate marketing, you name it. The software designs a professional website, generates fresh content with relevant images, and even updates itself automatically every day. So while you're busy doing your things, your news site is quietly attracting visitors and generating income in the background. And here's a huge one. You'll also get a library of over 500 premium done-for-you courses with master resale rights. You can totally use them to learn, turn them into your own products, or even resell them to kickstart your online biz. Topics cover marketing, business growth, traffic, social media, and much more, giving you a ready-made catalog of digital assets to profit from. Imagine adding these courses to your own funnel or selling them directly for instant cash flow. It's like starting your business with products already done for you. And these are just the main bonuses I wanted to highlight. On top of these, you'll also unlock many more special tools that I haven't even had time to show here. To check out the full list and claim your bonuses, just click the bonus link in the description below.
So that wraps up my review. Now, before you decide, I highly recommend checking out my full review linked in the description below. On that page, you'll find a complete OpenClaw cracked AI walkthrough and demo, a full pricing and OTO breakdown, including the bundle option, an honest breakdown of who this product is best for, and my exclusive bonus package designed to enhance different areas of digital marketing like traffic generation, automation, content creation, and monetization. Those bonuses are meant to help you get more value from OpenClaw cracked AI and improve your overall online marketing results, not just your streaming platform. So if you're serious about building your own online business, driving traffic, generating leads, or creating new online income streams, click the link in the description, read the full review, watch the demos, and see if this tool's the right fit for you. Thanks for watching this review. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.